Wars are a sad and terrible part of history, a cruel facet of humankind, and it can happen again. The intent to expand territory and take resources by force are often the reasons for such conflict, where thousands or millions of human lives are lost. If you're not a soldier, it is best you evacuate the area as soon as possible. Watching current events on televisions, radio, or the internet can also help you anticipate and prepare for the worst. Can civilians fight in wars? Therefore, the commentary to the protocol pointed that anyone who is not a member of the armed forces and does not take part of hostilities in time of war is a civilian. Civilians cannot take part in armed conflict. Civilians are given protection under the Geneva Conventions and protocols thereto. Let's watch this video until the end to know 5 tips how can civilian survive at the war. First, prepare your cash. Investing in cash is a must in order to survive the war. Your local military should come to your aid, but it may take some time. Maybe it may rush at bank and ATM before they running out of cash. If evacuation is not yet a possible option, defending yourself and keeping the enemy at bay should be your top priority. Second, prepare your survival kit. Your survival kit must fit the impending danger. Keep chemical masks, protective coveralls, gloves, and other items to protect you. In the event of a nuclear war, and if it happened, the danger from radiation could easily kill people. You can also learn how to create your own survival kit. Third, learn to prepare food and cooking. If trouble would be everywhere, then using a vehicle may become utterly useless, so you will have to avoid the enemy on foot with a lot of gear on you. That's why you must be fit to keep from getting caught in the enemy's cross sights. You could stay shape and prepper with push-up, sit-up and stretching. Fourth, finding best spot to survive in the wood. At initial attacks without warning, it is best to stay indoors and fortify it with window and door metal shutters. You can also place sandbags on the lower sides of the walls for added protection. You might have to evacuate, but wait until the dust settles before bugging out. The enemy would most likely bombard your area prior to moving in. If you have a cellar or fortified shelter, it would greatly increase your chances of survival too. Fifth, stay vigilant and untraceable from drone. Ultimately, this is what your government would want to keep its citizens safe, and this is what your main objective should be. As for the enemy, they would want to annihilate every living soul who is not their own. The best way to survive a war as a civilian is to flee the area of conflict as soon as you can. Think of the safety of your family before anything else. Should you wish to fight the enemy to protect your homeland, it is best you sign up with the military. Through this, you will have more equipment and comrades to fight by your side. Well, that's all our tips for survive in war situation. Hope you are safe right now. If you like this video, please give it thumbs and share. Thank you for watching.